friends. This is Matt Soucoup, and I'm a principal at CodeMill Technologies, and welcome to my course, Developing Applications with Azure Active Directory B2C. If you ever needed the ability to allow users to create accounts for your application, even using providers like Google or Facebook, and wondered, how do I do that? Azure Active Directory B2C and this course have the answers for you. Not only that, in this course, you will learn how to craft delightful experiences for your users as they sign in to your applications, even giving the users the ability to reset their own passwords or edit their profile. You'll explore how to protect certain portions of your applications with authentication, and also how to authorize those apps against web APIs. You will learn how to build a sign-in experience from scratch, so it can do terrific things like invoke a REST API immediately when a user signs in, all from Azure AD B2C. And of course, when you're dealing with identity, you need to make sure that logging and auditing are in place, and that's covered as well. By the end of this course, you'll be well equipped to build real-world applications powered by Azure Active Directory B2C.